Alright, this video is about how to install the Random Sampler add-on in Google Sheets. If you start from inside Google Sheets in a desktop browser and you go up to Extensions, come to Add-ons, and then choose Get Add-ons. From here you can type in Random Sampler. And this result is the one you want, so we'll click there. And then come over to the right and you can choose an admin install if you're working for an organization. But in this tutorial, we'll just do an individual install. So we'll click on that. And Google wants to verify what account to use it with. So we'll click there, click continue. And you have to grant the add-on permissions to view and manage your spreadsheets that you're using the add-on inside of. We'll click allow. The add-on has to have this access in order to do the sampling. So we'll click done here. We'll come up, close the Marketplace window. We'll refresh our spreadsheet. And if you look over onto the right-hand side, the side panel is refreshing. And when it comes back up, you'll have an icon for Random Sampler. If you're not seeing this side panel, come down to the lower right-hand corner and there's a toggle here to hide and show the side panel. So make sure you're showing it. When you click on Random Sampler, it launches the add-on. All right, so for instructions on how to use the add-on, check out this next video. Thanks for watching.